Hello, today at Long Machine Tool Company we have for sale a Kearney and Trecker rotary head milling machine. It's a number 2 Model D. It has a 30 by 16 table and it has 18 inches of longitudinal travel and 12 inches of cross travel and 18 inches of vertical travel. The spindle speeds go from 250 up to 4,000 RPM. The spindle taper is a Bridgeport B3 collet or taper. It has 3 inches of vertical adjustment, and the radial adjustment on the spindle goes up to 4 inches. So it would cut an 8-inch circle in the rotary head. Let's see if we can run this machine as it's sitting. Start the spindle. Turn it to the left. Turn it to the right. The spindle motor variable speed pulley will have to be rebushed. The table feeds motor starts here. And table feeds run as they should. And then we have the PTO to drive the rotary table. We can take the camera and walk around, get a good view of everything. There's the control panel. Here's the rotary table. Show you a chunk out of it. This is a 1947 machine. It's got 1947 electrics. It does have a coolant pump and the air pump are here. The coolant pump does not rotate, but you can hear the electrics kick in, and I've put wires on it so it's electrically sound, so I'm sure the impeller's just stuck. Then we got the air. I have no idea how the train knows that I'm doing this every single time, but it does. Here's the spindle speeds. Let's see. Here's a view of the indexing head. Has a number 30 milling machine taper in it. Here's the universal work head. Under it, there's the drive gear. Here's the chariot attachment. There's a set of tooling. You have B3 collets, and then you have what I think to be homemade end mill holders. And then I do have the repair parts book and the operator's manual, and it has the what do they call it, the test program. There it is, practice project. Has a practice project in it. I bought this machine thinking one day I would clean and paint it and get it all fixed up, but I've got too many projects going now. And this machine, I figure the floor space is going to be 63 inches by 66 3/8 with a height of 77 inches and a total weight of 5,500 pounds. The spindle motor is 3/4 horsepower, 224/40, 3-phase. All the other motors are 1/4 horsepower, and the air pump is 1/3 horsepower. Don't know what else I could tell you about the machine. I can load it, and if you're interested, it is for sale at Long Machine Tool Company, 214-741-1969. Thank you.